Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Canva project and positioning the slide where the voice belongs. Plug in a mic and grant browser permission. Make sure the correct input is selected. Once done, go to Apps or More and open VoiceOver, then press Record, speak clearly and deliver one complete take. You're recording directly onto the slide timeline, so keep phrasing concise. If you need a retake, stop and re-record. This first pass establishes timing for the rest of your edits. Now refine the clip. Listen and trim unwanted silence, split sections for precise placement, or replace a take if it's off. Adjust clip volume and add short fade-ins and fade-outs so words don't cut abruptly. Aim for natural pauses of about 0.5 to 2 seconds. Once done, drag the audio to align with animations and transitions. This keeps visuals and narration in sync. If you have multiple slides, repeat these steps so the whole video flows like a single story. Finish by reviewing the entire project and exporting with audio enabled. Choose MP4 for best compatibility. Test the downloaded file on both desktop and mobile to confirm sync and levels. If something goes wrong, like no sound, first check browser mic permissions and that the correct input device is selected, then reload the page and retry recording. If issues persist, try a different browser or restart your computer. That typically resolves driver or permission conflicts and gets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.